Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, Chief. Have you ever been curious about playing the unique Chinese version of Clash of Clans? It offers a distinct experience, with exclusive events and content not found in the global game. We're here to guide you through the entire process for 2025, step by simple step. Getting access to this vibrant community is an exciting adventure, and it's simpler than you might think. Before we jump in, understand that the Chinese version is quite separate. It runs on its own dedicated servers and is subject to different local regulations, meaning some game features might vary. Crucially, you won't be using your regular Google Play or Apple ID. This separation ensures a unique gameplay environment distinct from the global version you're used to. To get the game, you'll need to access it through a Chinese app store. Popular options include TapTap, Tencent's My App, or even directly through WeChat. These platforms host the official localized game client, so it's essential to use them instead of global stores. Always ensure you download from a reputable source, keeping your device safe and secure. Creating your account is often the trickiest part for players outside of China. You'll typically need a valid Chinese phone number or ID for verification, which can be a significant hurdle. Many players also link their accounts to popular Chinese social media platforms like WeChat or QQ. While it presents a unique challenge, various online communities offer helpful advice for navigating this specific process. Once you're set up, updates will simply come through the same Chinese app store you used for the initial download. To stay informed about new events and changes, consider joining online communities and forums dedicated to the Chinese version. Embrace the unique gameplay, enjoy the exclusive content, and have fun experiencing Clash of Clans from a fresh perspective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.